What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and be back with another video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel as well as subscribe to my other channel. Also follow me on Instagram, right here, pop up, boom. Go follow me on Instagram. You see the thumbnail, you see the title, so you already know what we about to go over right now. So let's get right into it. If you're new here, also leave a comment, question, whatever you want to ask in the comments below. I respond to all that. So let's get right into it. I literally just came back in the house, so while I'm heating my food up in the air fryer, I'm gonna just film this video for you guys. So let's get right into it. I had this shoot for like a week, but not like a week, way more than a week. But I don't want to waste no more time because this shouldn't be a long review at all. But let's see. Let's get it. All right. So off rip, I got like what, a handful of these shoes. I grabbed like 3-4 pairs, and I don't know if I'm gonna return them because I already got like cash back on them, so I might just have to stick with them until they go up in profit or sell. But yeah, I do got like what, size 14, 13, 12, 10 and a half, something like that. Yeah, all that good stuff. So obviously I'm gonna show you the same shoe 4 times, but this the regular box that usually comes in, you know, golf shoes that I can remember. This size specifically is a size 13. So if you want any of these sizes, or if you, like I said, I named them, I think I have a 14, 13, 12, and a 10 and a half. If those are the sizes I do have and you see these and you want to buy it, hit me up. I will sell it to you for a reasonable price, and then we could, you know, negotiate price and then ship it out to you, okay? So let's get right into it. Like I said, size 13, regular black Jordan box. For golf shoes, I guess they give you this all the time because I had other golf shoes in the previous past, but I guess with this, they give you this Nike golf, you know, thing. Obviously, regular Jordan paper with the 23 on the back. All over the paper. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's whatever. Now let's take out the shoe. So, Jordan 1 low royal toe golf shoes. Literally, it's so crazy how these are legit royal toe ones. Mind you, I do have the royal toe highs, Jordan 1 highs, not the golf. I legit have it in my collection. I don't think I ever worn it yet, but either way, this is how it looks. So let's get the quick little thumbnail. Boom. So it does come with extra laces, like I'm pretty sure the ones did, the highs. So it comes with the royal blue, you know, royal toe blue, whatever. Shoelaces in here. There's no difference of the inside. Let me smell it. Regular Nike shoe. They just dropped out of nowhere on the Nike app. So people was going crazy for big sizes. They were sitting relatively. They're kind of going for a brick. I mean, I don't really know the market right now, but if you want to buy these before buying it online, buy it from me, especially because the sizes I have, most of them are sold out. Not all, obviously, but they do have these available. Some sizes, like I said, they restock sometimes. Nike, you could check, whatever. If you don't have your size and you want them and I have them, hit me up. Everything is for sale. So it's really nothing too crazy. I think it has the same type of leather. This is probably one of the best golf shoes, but because the market is down on shoes, this doesn't go for too much like all the big sizes in golf did at one point. Then again, we all wondered who the hell was buying golf shoes. Some people was buying them legitimately because they didn't want the other shoe. They rather the golf and they could wear it every day and it doesn't really hurt their feet. But I couldn't be one of those people, so yeah. But whoever wears golf shoes on the regular, I guess, do you, by all means. So they do have the golf embroidered logo in the tongue that I see right there. So it's like a Jumpman with the golf, so they know it's golf shoes. Obviously, we all know the print on the bottom. Got the grip. So when they're on the turf or the grass, whatever, they could have, you know, it's good for, you know. Let me know if anyone wears golf shoes and watching this video. Do you know, are they actually comfortable, or are they just made for, you know how football has cleats? It's made for that material. is this kind of like a football version of golf shoes to have the bottom and stuff like that. And because it is golf, yes, I know the market for golf is a big market, but why the hell is the shoes so high on retail? Like, there's no reason why the golf shoes, yeah, I know it's it's a collab with Jordan and Nike and all that, but 150 plus tax or 130 plus tax, that's OD. Like, yes, some Jordan golf shoes do go good on resale, but damn, they couldn't put this at least 120, 130 plus tax. Like 120, no tax. How about that? 120, no tax. Not 130 plus tax or 140. You're damn near paying 150 for a Jordan 1 low. That, you know, if it has no resale value, then it's going to be sitting in stores. Or at least sitting on your website. Because, yeah, these are not in stores. They're mostly online. But Jordan 1 Golf Royal Toe. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you copping any Jordan golf shoes for personal to actually wear? Do anyone that actually buys these or wear these actually play golf? I don't really know. I know golf is like one of the top 5 most like hyped up sports when it comes to like country clubs and rich people and successful people, and there's people that actually like golf. To me, I'm not a big golf fan, but I do enjoy playing golf, like miniature golf. Like every time I go to like amusement parks or somewhere they have like miniature golf, I like playing that. Obviously everyone loves the golf court. I mean the golf court thing, like the driving thing, whatever, golf course, the mobile, whatever that shit is for golf that people ride around, go to different sections of the golf. But yeah, really there's no difference from the highs and lows, even if it's a golf shoe. At least not to me. The color blocking looks exactly where it needs to be. Nothing too crazy. Of course, the wing logo in the back in black, and both you could see that. The black laces, of course, it comes with, but you could change it to blue. And I'm not mistaken, I want to know if the highs came with white. I don't think so, but black, blue, or you could get your own custom made, or not custom made, but you could get your own white laces if you want to wear white, by all means. Last final look of the shoe. Hopefully these sell at some point, because I want to get rid of them. So if you wear a size 13, I don't know if I have a 14, but hit me up just in case. 13, 12, 10 and a half, something like that, in that range. Just let me know, and we could get these out to you for a reasonable price. I won't tax you that much, obviously. Gotta make a profit, plus if I'm shipping it to you, let me know if you need it. Yeah, so other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share the channels, get more people join the squad. And yeah, ladies, DM me. My DM's always available to y'all. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.